how to enable or disable put unused apps to sleep on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and then tap on device care. Next, tap on battery. Then tap on background usage limits. Here at the top, tap on put unused apps to sleep. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. So if you turn this on, any apps that not being used will be put to sleep. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.